How to change name in Rocket League. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name in Rocket League account. To do so, first of all, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in rocketleague.com. Now press and enter to search for it. Within a while, you'll be taken to the official website of Rocket League. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here, since Rocket League account is connected to Epic Games account, to change the name in Rocket League, you will need to change your name in Epic Games. For that, you will need to open a new tab on the same browser and in the search bar type in epicgames.com. Now press and enter to search for it. Here, once you reach to the official website of Epic Games, you will need to sign in to your account. You'll be able to see the sign in button at the top right of your screen. Simply click on that option and accept the terms. After that, you will land on this home page. Once you are logged into your account, at the top right you will be able to see the profile icon or the name. Click on your profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you will need to locate the account option and click on it. By doing so, you will be taken to a new page now. In this page, here make sure you select this account settings from the left side. Once you have done that, now in this account settings section, you will need to locate this display name option. At the right side, you will be able to see the pencil icon. Click on this pencil icon and then this pop-up will appear. Here it says if you have changed your Epic Games display name, you will not be able to change it for 2 weeks. You will need to wait for 2 weeks and only after that you will be able to change or update your new name. Now if you haven't changed it within the 2 weeks, then you'll be able to do so. Click on this text box right here and now enter a new display name for your account. Once you have entered the display name, here also make sure you read all of these terms and conditions or the requirements presented here. Here it says never use information that identifies you, such as your real name, address, social media handle, or the phone number. Also, it says display name must be at least 3 characters long. Make sure to review all of these informations while entering your new name. After doing that, click on this checkbox that says I understand I cannot change my display name again for 2 weeks after this change. By doing so, now you can scroll a bit down and click on this confirm button at the very bottom. By doing so, you will need to now wait for a while and then you will see you have successfully changed your display name on Epic Games. Now you can simply restart this browser in order to see the changes. At the top right, you will be able to see your newly updated display name. Once after doing that, now you can return back to your Rocket League tab at the top left. And now here, refresh your browser by clicking on this circled arrow at the top left. By doing so, now you will be able to see a new display name at the top right of your screen in your Rocket League account. If in case you didn't see the updated one, you can simply sign out and then sign into your account again. After that, you'll be able to see you have successfully changed your name on Rocket League. So by following these steps, you should be able to change or update your name on Rocket League account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.